I just tried to put this alternator into place and it wasn't going into place because there's not enough room here and here. So the same thing that was keeping the other one snug was keeping this one in place. These pieces here, these washers that are, or sliders that are in here, you could probably put a little bit of lube on it, maybe some PB Blaster or something, and try to break them loose, get them to slide forward a little bit. But what I did is I have a small hammer. This really comes in handy for little stuff like this, and I just hit this on this side, did the same thing over here till I got it to slide forward. And they're both out of the way. Now I should be able to get the alternator to slide right in here. I was a little worried at first because that was happening, but I forgot that these sliders are on here and I can manipulate them. So when you put the bolts in there, these are going to squeeze back and take up that extra space. So when I used the screwdriver earlier, that's because these were still in the position, and because these are steel, you can see they're rusting. So these were somewhat seized up. If this was a newer vehicle, they might just slide back out once you start to wiggle the alternator. But wiggling and moving the alternator wasn't working. I pried it out and these still stayed into the position that they were in until I beat them loose with this hammer. If you don't have a small hammer, put some PB Blaster on there or something, and then use maybe something like some channel locks and squeeze the back of it. You're going to squeeze not on, you don't want to touch the washer on this side, you want to squeeze it on this side. But I mean, even you could use something like this if you got PB Blaster on there and they're broke loose. So now I think I've resolved that issue, so let's get the alternator put back into place.